In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Copilot notebook with other users. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment to give other people access to your notebook. Sharing is especially useful when you want to collaborate with teammates, let someone review your notes, or allow others to contribute to the same workspace. To begin, open the Microsoft Copilot application or the web interface, depending on how you normally use it. Once you're in, navigate to the notebook you want to share. Make sure you open the correct notebook before moving on, especially if you have several saved in your account. Taking a second to confirm this can help avoid sharing the wrong content by mistake. Next, look for the Share button. In most cases, you'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to open the sharing options. If your layout looks a little different, just look for a clearly labeled sharing control near the top of the notebook window. After you click share, a sharing window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll choose who gets access. In the recipient field, type the email addresses of the people you want to share the notebook with. Be sure to enter each address carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. If you're sharing with multiple collaborators, you can add each of them in this same area. Once you've added your recipients, the next step is to choose their permissions. This is important because it determines what each person will be able to do inside the notebook. You can usually select whether they can edit the notebook or only view it. If you want others to actively contribute, make changes, or add information, choose the edit option. If you only want them to read the notebook without making changes, select view only access instead. Finally, click the send button or the copy link button to complete the sharing process. Sending the invitation directly is a good option if you want Copilot to notify your collaborators right away. Copying the link can be helpful if you prefer to share access through another message or platform. And that's it. Once you complete those steps, your collaborators will be able to access the Copilot notebook based on the permissions you selected. It's a straightforward feature, but a very useful one when working with others. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.